Lindsay, my mind is literally racing as I try for the 23,000th time to write this special little note to you. Our last bear note is Fifi's. Shoot, no pressure. I'm consumed with all that we have experienced together in the last 3 years, most notably in the last year. Without a doubt, 2019 handed us some incredible opportunities.
Heather, it only seems fitting to start this bear note out with some Goo Goo Dolls lyrics, because let's be honest, that's where it all began. It won't be perfect, but we'll be fine, because I've got your back and you've got mine.
All right, for almost 32 years, I've technically known my sister. But for the sake of the speech, let's just say it's like 25 solid years. In that time, I've known her to be ever-changing and evolving, and an incredible person that you see before you.
Truthfully, it's a bit difficult to even think about a time before we were engaged and planning this incredible day. But in reality, we've been planning us the entire time.
When she called and told me about Linz, I had never heard her so genuinely excited. When I met Lindsay and saw the way they looked at one another, you could tell it was legit.
I may not have been as on board with this whole thing from the beginning as you were. I truly believe we've always had each other's hearts, feelings, and emotions as our #1 priority. I'm a firm believer that things happen for a reason, and it's all about timing. You came into my life at the most perfect time.
To help my focus, I looked back at all the notes and cards you've given me. Despite my impressive collection, I keep going back to the first one I ever received. Remember this one? If you don't, it's on yellow legal paper and I laminated it, so you can reference it at any time. You wrote, "I've been waiting for you."
She's worn many hats. But she's always stayed true to herself. She's branded her very own unique style, and she's freaking owned it. Her style and choice of footwear accessories is one of her defining features.
They say that everyone's soulmate, perfect match is out there for them. I just can't believe I was lucky enough to find mine.
My goodness, remembering the first time I knew you'd be important to me is not nearly as powerful as when I realized I was important to you. What an incredible thing to be loved by someone. You went on to say, "I can't wait to continue on this path with you and see what we have ahead of us."
We're all weird in our own way, but if you can find someone whose weird matches your own, I say go for it. Holy shit, you're weird. But I wouldn't change a thing about you. You love my weird. Hell, you embrace it. You match my awkward, and you ease my uncomfortable.
Now that the true beginning of that path is a very tangible thing that we get to share with a room full of our favorite people, I'm taken back and in awe of all the emotions, thoughts, and feels racing through.
We're here today to celebrate the love which Heather and Lindsay have for each other and to recognize and witness their decision to take each other totally and permanently as they are united.
I've chosen you alone
From all the world
to
be my wife.
my wife.
You are my very best friend
You are my very best friend
and the joy and the love of my life.
and the love of my life.
I've chosen you alone from all the world
To be my wife.
to be my wife.
You are my very best friend
You are my very best friend
and the love of my life.
and the love of my life.
To acknowledge your lifetime commitment, you may seal it with a kiss.
Right now.
Right now.
You compliment the best parts of me, and you make me better. For you, I always try to be the best version of myself.
what likely kicked off this love of cats wasn't even her choice. You see, early on, in her senior year of high school, she was visiting a friend in the hospital. And upon entry, she got overwhelmed. She fainted and she fractured her skull. A perfect place to do it, the hospital. But not an ideal injury for one of Paris' top female athletes. Heading into the season. Which is where this bad boy comes into play. See, after college, she put on her adulting hat, and she did the comfortable thing. She moved in with her brother for an extended stay of almost 5 years. Thank you. It's a surreal moment right now knowing that my little sister has put on her most important hat yet. The role of a wife and partner. It's one that I know she's ready to own. Lindsay, I'm so happy for you and so proud of you. And couldn't possibly have hoped for a better match for you than Heather. You both are so loved by everybody here. In closing, before we really get the party started, Bills coach Sean McDermott says to trust the process. When it comes to football, no one really has any idea what the hell that means. But when it comes to marriage, let me be the first to officially tell you, as someone who is also married to a woman, trust the damn process, okay? It's real, it's all worth it. The ups, the downs, the strength, she is your best friend. Always make her feel that way and feel valued. Remind her that as much as possible, words of affirmation. You can't possibly be selfless enough in a marriage. Tell it, Meg. Alright, so it's all race class. Know that there was no chance I was putting on a Blue Devils hat. Congratulations to you two. I love you both. Cheers and go Bills.
Heather, I love you with all that I am. You are my home, and you are my heart.
Lindsay Marie, I am, have been, and always will be drawn to you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for letting me love you. And thank you for showing up for our first look on time. I love you.